Vision. JRU will be a market leader in the use of technology by innovation in teaching and learning to produce graduates of social importance.
JRU mission. The university aims to develop its students to become useful and responsible citizens through the effective transfer of relevant knowledge and desirable values.
JRU core values. Our core values define how we behave individually and collectively. As inspired by the ideals of the founder, a resilient is responsible, a team player who is focused, attentive, give one's best, and committed to the goals of the university. Considerate and courteous, a fair and caring person, fully aware of others' rights, feelings, and ideals in making decisions for the university. With integrity, a person who acts truthfully, morally, and ethically. Good day, ma'am. We are the Group 7, and this is our performance task in Stratinata. Himno Rizal.